Oops. Hello, YouTube. Origami Cuber here again. So, oopsie daisies. So, I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve the pyraminx duo advanced method. So, yeah, I would recommend it. You have to watch the beginner's method first. And, yeah, it's a really, I'm going to be mentioning it a lot and all the other stuff. So, you better want to just look at that one before we're looking at this one. But if you do, you might, I might be going too fast, so just be prepared if you haven't. Oops. Excuse me. Okay. So let's get started. Let's do the normal thing that we usually do. We start with finding two corners. Okay. They're already matched up. That's good. Now let's put the other one under it. There we go. Okay, let's just quickly move that. There we go. Now, this is the part that's going to change. We're going to move this one down. That's facing at the bottom one. But then it should be facing like that. We're going to be looking for the centerpiece. Sometimes it'll end up on this side. That's okay. Just move this one down. And then this one. But in this case, it's not. So we're just going to move it down like this. Move this one down. Then you are one move away. Just like that. You'll end up with a couple of cases. And these are some of them. So let's just quickly mix it up. I can make sure that I can end up with them. Sometimes you'll end up with the case where you can basically like do it and it's like in the corner like right here. Like you can just turn like that. What you're going to do in this case when it's like this, you're just going to turn it. You're going to turn these two that way. And then after you're going to turn this one under it just like normal. Sometimes you end up with this case where it's under it. This one's here. You're just going to turn it to the side. Then you're which side you want. So remember how I mentioned it on being this side? It can also be on this side, like I said. This is the algorithm, the same exact thing, really. Down, down. Sometimes you'll have to turn this corner, but sometimes. And there's one more case, which is, yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna turn these two. Now let's quickly just, let's see here. We're going to turn these two down again. You could probably end up with this case. Oh, what? Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Oops. Now you could end up with this case where this one's right there. You're going to turn it to either side if you want. Now you're going to go this side. Then you're going to turn it out. Turn this one back. Then you're going to do your normal thing. And yeah, those are probably all of the cases you could get. If I missed those in the beginner and I didn't say them, yeah, if you probably end up with it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.